Connect the two hydraulic hoses to the gasoline engine pump in sequence. Open the die cover of the crimping head and install the corresponding die. Close the die cover securely. Connect the hydraulic hoses to the crimping head. Connect the wired remote control interface to the gasoline engine pump interface. Turn on the wired remote control switch. Turn on the fuel valve, choke handle, and on/off switch in order. Adjust the throttle switch handle to the minimum position. Pull the starter rope to start the hydraulic pump. Adjust the throttle switch handle to maximum after startup. Press the up button to start the crimping piston, perform crimping, and automatically release pressure upon completion. The remote-controlled gasoline engine pump features a pressure gauge and count display. Before shutdown, reduce the throttle switch handle to a minimum, turn off the on/off switch, then close the fuel valve. Disconnect hoses and install dust plugs when tools are not in use.